Hey you guys, welcome back. Clarence from Seek on the Speed 252. This is going to be the 5 things I didn't know about the Corvette. Most likely this will apply to the Stingray, the Grandsport, and the Z06, and possibly the ZR1. What I would like to do is, I would like to talk about the 5 things I didn't know about my Corvette. The number one thing that bothers me a lot about the Corvette is that the brake dust that collects on my rims. Now, as you all know, I'm a fan of chrome. Black on black is the new thing these days, but I'm still a chrome guy, and like I said, I like to be unique, so I like to stick to something that's different. So I'm still going with chrome as of right now. But if you take a look here, I haven't washed my car in probably a solid 2.5 weeks, and as you can see, there's brake dust everywhere. And with that being said, these are Bimbo brakes. If you take a look at Corvette's 918, which is an awesome YouTuber, I love his channel, I love everything he do. Definitely check out his channel for sure, because he can give you more information about the Bimbo brakes and what brakes are best to not collect brake dust. He told me to order Hawk ceramic brakes, which are the best brakes to not actually give off any of that brake dust. And so with that being said, I'm looking forward to ordering some of those for my Grandsport, because don't get me wrong, I love cleaning my car, but I hate cleaning it every single time I have to actually get into it. I just want to be able to sometimes to get out there and drive it without having to clean my rims every single time that I'm driving my car. And number 2 thing that a lot of people don't know about the Corvette is the braking point. The braking point is something that pretty much every car has, but when you definitely have a sports car, there's a braking point. Let me give you an example. So when I was driving this back from the dealership told me to keep the car below a certain amount of RPMs. I asked him why. He said, because you haven't reached your braking point yet. So I said, what is that? So when you buy your car brand new, your first 500 miles, you need to get an oil change. The car comes with the Grandsport 460 horsepower, and Z06 comes with 650 horsepower. But with the 460, you don't reach your braking point until 750 miles. Then once you bring your car when it's brand new, to make sure you don't have any leaks or anything of that nature before your braking point. Once you reach your 750 miles, that will allow you to actually use all your horsepower. Before you reach that 750 mile mark on your car, you will not be able to use all your horsepower whatsoever, because you would not have yet reached that braking point. So with that being said, that's the number 2 thing that I didn't know about the Corvette. The number 3 thing I didn't know about the Corvette is I was with my buddy someday. I wanted to charge up my phone, and I didn't want to put my phone inside the car, and I didn't want to sit inside of the car either, because it was a nice day out. And so when I came to the trunk, I actually opened up my trunk with the lever right here. Open it up, and what I didn't know is there's actually an outlet right here for me to use to plug my phone in. And it was great, because I was able to put my phone in there, close the hood down, and actually charge my phone for about 10 to 15 minutes while we were just sitting here talking about the car, talking about his car, and talking about life and things of that nature. So that's the number 3 thing that I didn't know about the Corvette Grandsport. 4th thing I want to talk about is that a lot of people don't know, and actually I didn't know, is that a lot of people consider this being a speaker. Yes, this actually is a speaker, but it's actually not a speaker for the inside of the car. This speaker allows you to hear your engine sound and your exhaust sound when you're on the track, or whenever you hit the gas, whether you're in sport mode or track mode and things like that. This gives you that all surround sound effect from the engine to the exhaust. It makes you give you that that's why I bought this car, to hear that awesome sound. So that's the 4th thing that I didn't know about my Grandsport Corvette. The 5th thing, one day I felt kind of silly. I was in the car with one of my buddies, Don from Adventure TV 919, and he's like, hey man, this car is freezing. Is there any way we can turn the temperature up? So I was trying to figure out how to turn the temperature up on his side, and I didn't even know that now the cars come with the temperature gauge on the passenger side, so they can adjust it to their own liking, to their own needs, along with their heating and cool seats as well. And so I felt foolish, because I bought a brand new car at the time and didn't know really how to use it, and he was in the car freezing. So with that being said, that's the 5th thing that I didn't know about my Grandsport. Once again, if you're watching this video, I thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and be part of my family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please hit that bell button. Please hit that subscribe button, because I would love to have you part of the family. I'd love to have you part of the comments that are all left on the videos. If you leave them, I'll read them. I appreciate each and every comment you guys and ladies leave. And I look forward to catch you in the next video. Seek on the Speed 252.